everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. I hope everybody's having a great day. We just got back from Vancouver. We went down to Coach, we went to the Key, we went and had some lunch, and it's pretty nice actually. It was kind of misting a little bit, but not really bad. Bag of the day, I'm still rocking my Dempsey tote with my pink Mickey, and it's the sleigh motif in pine, and it has feet on the bottom. So I'll go ahead and show you what I got at Coach today. They gave me a bag like this. Pretty cool. Alright, and we got a snack for later. We got a couple of muffins at the Key. We got a lemon poppy seed, and that's what that one looks like. Pretty cool. And then we got a cranberry muffin. Looks like that. All right, so we'll have that later on. All right, let's go ahead and here's my receipt. Comes in a little deal like that. Okay. Well, they gave me a little pouch. That was nice. Any guesses? All right, let's go ahead and open it. They gave me a little visit the website. They're having 50% off, not on this item, but on some of their stuff on the site. So definitely check out coach.com. And I got picked up this bag charm. It's flower to go on my new bags that I got, the Mickey Garden variety. All right, and that's what that looks like. All right, so that is my bag charm unboxing for today from Coach. I hope everybody's staying safe until tomorrow. Thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style with the senior point of view. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. It's all free. Why not? All right, that's December gifts. So I have one more unboxing, and I'll probably be doing that tomorrow. All right, until later on. Bye. Thanks for watching.